Okay, first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to kind of show you how you could increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure online with Google. Now, there are three key factors that you need to rank your business and increase that exposure. That would be content, backlinks, and citations. So first, I want to understand some basics. Every time you type something here into the search bar of Google, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization, or SEO as it's called. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords that are getting typed in and categorizes those websites based on that content. This is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords that are needed. So I came across you. This is your website here, Helpful Hands. You're a handyman out of Raleigh. So I typed in, just to kind of show you what's going on, I typed in Handyman Raleigh. Of course, we know we got the ads here. We also know that this is the map area or the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is related to your Google Business profile, the area of coverage that you cover, and citations. Citations are anything name, address, and phone number that reflect your business profile. Directories for that would include like Yellow Pages and Angie, BBB, things of that nature. Also, ranking in the map generates a lot of local traffic, so that can create more leads and become sales for you. That's a little insight on the map ranking. Little things pay, other things play a part in that as well, with how many reviews you have, or if there's any photos that you have attached to this. Let's see here. It's not doing what I want it to do, but that's okay. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So if you've ever asked yourself, how do companies and businesses get on the first page of Google? Aside from advertisements like Yelp and Angie and Home Advisor and BBB, we have this guy right here, number 5, Mr. Handyman. So this would be an organic rank. So I also have him up here, Mr. Handyman. So I kind of wanted to bump a little bit and show you a tool that I have. So we have your site. Again, I said you want 1,500, maybe 2,000 words of content, depending on your competition. And I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs gives me a behind the scenes with what's going on with the website and how it is or isn't ranking and what it has. So I said backlinks was important as a rank structure. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. Now, want to keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, you would want a Pizza Hut or a landscaping company linking back to you. They're not going to carry as much weight as another handyman or contracting service referring to you will carry. This is a big factor when it comes to ranking. You have 27 referring domains coming from that. Looks like 21 keywords driving you roughly one view a month in traffic. So this is where content and keywords really come into how you're getting exposed on Google by depending on what's being searched up in here and how Google finds you and verifies, whether there's trust in you, if you're endorsed by others and what's in your content that's relevant to what people are looking for and how that affects your rank structure and moves you upwards and gets more exposure through Google. I wanted to look at Mr. Handyman to show you that as well. So for example, he's in number 5. I mean, he's killing it, honestly. He's got 209,000 backlinks, 7,000 referring domains, 88,000 keywords, generating 271,000 views a month. So he's very strong. His power on Google, his domain power is very high, and his website power, his website ranking is a 33. So that's strong. That's a little insight there. Now keep in mind all the keywords he has, you can have backlinks he has, you can have the same backlinks and more. I want to take it one step further and show you something else. You also said, what do we have here? What did you say? General contractor, I believe. Home remodeling, home remodeling. So just to go a little bit further, I typed in home remodeling Raleigh. And so same principle, the map area, the ads section here, what's going on with the ads, who's paying for the ads. You can run ads too as well. You can target ads. We could find out what that would cost. And you could run some targeted ads to drive more traffic immediately if that's something that you're interested in. By all means, whatever works. Of course, we have Angie. So I picked number 3 here just to kind of give you a little touch. So this is his website here, Blue Ribbon Construction. We can see he has a fair amount of pictures. There's quite a bit of content, his services, his portfolio, his company. So I'm really thinking that content and keywords are a factor with what's going on with your website. You're not being found as much as you need to be or as much as you could be. And I wanted to give you the same look into his website. So because we're in the remodeling or kitchen remodeling area, targeting that kind of market, 390 keywords driving him 279 views a month in traffic. So when you take a look into how this works, this is a volume per month that this particular word or phrase is being searched. So whatever somebody's typing into Google and how many times a month this is searched. So what do we have here? Construction companies reviews. I'm not sure about. Okay, contractors Raleigh, 250. General contractors in Raleigh, 450. Raleigh NC general contractors, 600 times a month. Remodeling Raleigh, remodeling contractors Raleigh, 90. What else is a big one? That's kitchen remodeling, 200. So you see, when you add these keywords, total this up collectively, that would generate a lot of exposure getting driven to your website when you are found for what people or what services people are looking for. So with that being said, maybe to give you a little bit of insight as to how that works. You might say, I got a website, but I'm not getting any traffic and my business isn't going up, and I'm wondering why. I mean, a lot of companies can build a website, beautiful ones. Some of them will fall short when it comes to the content and the SEO. And then you're going to wonder why, it's just not working, or you're going to get disappointed. It's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see it. So it's really important to understand how the content, the backlinks, the citations, the Google Business Profile, your local area, once this comes together and builds the website so that you can be sought and seen and endorsed by Google with other backlinks from other companies, it brings a lot of value to you. With that being said, I was hoping that you might get a little more understanding on how that works. And if you had any questions, I'd love to talk. I appreciate your time and thanks for watching the video.